If you were looking for a review video on the Epson EcoTank 2800, then stay tuned because today that's what we're going to be doing. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today I've got the Epson EcoTank 2800 model here with me, and I'm going to be opening up the box, seeing what's inside, reviewing this printer, seeing what it has to offer, giving you the pros and cons of this printer. And so if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now I will be shooting some other videos on this printer that are going to be separate from this video. So if you wanted a video on how to install the ink, the print quality test where I print off different color photos with photo paper with this printer, or if you needed to know how to repair this printer, there will be links in the description box for those videos so you can quickly access them. You also can find a link down in the description below for this printer. And speaking of links, the sponsor of today's video is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Essentially, if you're printing blank pages, you have lines coming up in your prints, faded prints, or you have an overall in general print quality issue, you're going to want to use this product. There's going to be a link down in the description below for this product. If it sounds like something you need, look into it and get it if it is something you need, because this will solve that problem. I'm also going to be showing you how to use this product on this printer in case this is the printer model you actually are having issues with. Alright, that's really all I have for now. Why don't we get right into this unboxing? Alright, so when we open up the box, what we're going to get is, of course, the printer. You're going to get some ink bottles, and then you're going to get a power cable along with a user manual. Now let's start by talking about the design and build of the Epson EcoTank 2800. This printer features a compact and minimalist design, making it suitable for home offices or small workspaces. The build quality is sturdy, giving you confidence in its durability and longevity. The highlight of the Epson EcoTank 2800 is its revolutionary EcoTank system. Instead of traditional ink cartridges, this printer utilizes large, refillable ink tanks. The tanks are located on the side of the printer and can be easily accessed for refilling. This eliminates the need for frequent cartridge replacements and substantially reduces printing costs in the long run. So when we're setting up this printer, one of the first things we're going to end up doing is we're actually going to install the bottled ink into the ink tanks. So for those that have not installed bottled ink before, you may want to check out the more in-depth video I'm going to do with installing these ink bottles. There will be a separate video down in the description below to help guide you with installing these ink bottles. Now, the Epson EcoTank system is a game changer, especially for those who print a lot or have high volume printing needs. With the included ink bottles, you can print thousands of pages before needing to refill. It's a cost-effective solution that not only saves you money, but also reduces the environmental impact of excessive cartridge waste. Moving on to the print quality, the Epson EcoTank 2800 delivers impressive results. With its micro piezo inkjet technology, it produces sharp text and vibrant colors. Whether you're printing documents, charts, or even photos, you can expect good quality prints. However, it's important to note that the Epson EcoTank 2800 is primarily designed for document printing. And while it can handle photos, specialized photo printers might offer better results for dedicated photographers. So we're also going to be doing a print quality test video, and you're going to see what type of photos and photo quality this printer is able to produce. Now, as we move along with the setup, it's going to be really helpful if you download the Epson Smart Panel app. This app is going to take you through all of the prompts you need to get to the point where you're able to install Wi-Fi. That's what I end up doing, and I cut off at the point where my personal information is shared because, of course, I don't want that out there. But it's a very easy, simple process to connect to Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, you will be able to have access to everything in the printer, and you're essentially totally set up. Your printer is going to become available to other smart devices in the home, around the office. Now, in terms of speed, the Epson EcoTank 2800 performs well for a printer in its class. It can print black and white documents at a respectable speed. And color printing is also decent. While it might not be the fastest printer out there, it gets the job done efficiently. What I'm doing here is I am topping off the ink tanks because when you're setting up, the printer will use some ink. Now, Epson has made sure that the Epson EcoTank 2800 is user-friendly and hassle-free to operate. The setup process is straightforward and doesn't take much time. The control panel is intuitive with clear labeled buttons for easy navigation. It also features a basic LCD screen that displays important information and printer status. One great feature is the wireless connectivity option. With Wi-Fi support, you can effortlessly connect your devices, such as your computer, smartphone, or tablet, to the printer. This enables convenient printing without the need for physical connections. The printer also supports USB connectivity for more traditional printing methods. Let's talk about cost effectiveness on the EcoTank 2800. As mentioned earlier, the EcoTank system is a cost-saving marvel. The initial investment might be slightly higher than traditional printers, but the long-term savings are worth it. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save on ink costs over time. When it's time to refill the ink tanks, Epson has made the process clean and simple. The included ink bottles are designed to prevent spills and messes. Each bottle is color-coded, making it easy to refill the appropriate ink tanks. Refilling is a breeze, and you can monitor the ink levels throughout the transparent ink tanks. This truly is a phenomenal entry-level Epson EcoTank. I recommend it highly if this criteria of what this printer is able to do fits what you need. Again, this is for the person that needs to do a lot of printing, and it's made for a home environment or an office environment. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.